Well, we're at the end. So the mangaka who draws My Hero Academia released this image of Deku, and it's cool. He draws Deku so well. You know he just loves the character. So let's draw it. Tribute to Midoriya. True hero. Landscape page. This would work portrait, just I use landscape. Pencil eraser, sketch it out lightly. Hit pause if I go too fast. Let's go. Eyes, Deku, Midoriya, the hero. So go. Curve it up and over. He has big, sort of letter C, sort of shaped eyes, right? Very big and round. So kind of like a letter C, but the top eyelid line is thicker than the rest, right? So you thicken it up. And kind of stops sort of halfway down. So it gets thin then. And they add like a little spike out here. Do do do. So big oval eye, sort of. It's not like a perfect circle. It's like a long circle, basically. And then his pupil, sort of similar. Kind of a long shape. A green eye in there. Can we see eyelid lines? No, just eyebrow, I think. And it's underneath his hair, so it's kind of like in there somewhere. So say if I was an eyebrow, if I was Deku's eyebrow, I would be here. So I'll just go, and we can erase anything that we don't need after. Like it will be, his hair covers some of it. So we'll go over and do the other eye. So again, large letter C. Right. And his head is kind of tilted. So in this, like he's doing the fist bump. The image is on the guy's X account, I think, if you're looking for it. The guy who draws this manga. And you just thicken up the top eyelid line again. So you can see we're sort of diagonal slightly. And then long circle, and then a long circle inside as well. You want them to be about the same size, roughly. So then a eyebrow is going that way, and it's kind of thicker at the front. So we don't have noses in My Hero Academia, we just have hatching on the bridge of the nose. So that's just like this. Right, one side, and then go down the other side as well. And then we got his freckles. So just dots, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then his mouth is kind of just sort of flat. Yeah, so it's kind of just slightly downturned and then flat just across here. Like so. And that's kind of all. That's the way his mouth is. Right, then a sort of a V-like chin. There, and then it's just like, it's kind of like a wine glass shape. Standard sort of face shape. Just goes up. Same as sort of Luffy from One Piece, and a lot of animes do their face shape like this. So, and this, we got a fist on this side, but I'll draw it in first anyway, because it's kind of a bit easier to just draw it in. And the fist touches right against his cheek, so it's kind of covered by that line anyway. Then we get his hair, so sharp hair spikes. And it just covers his fringe a little bit. And the anime sometimes does these like kind of sharper angles, like, so it's, you know, you could do it differently. His ear is just in there, but you can only see like the top of this one. And it's under the hair on this side. Like so. And then we have ear lines inside. Like a little bit here, but not drawn in really. So then the rest of his hair, we'll just start adding these spikes now, and it'll go like around the head. Do. Like some texture lines kind of on the inside as well, like a little bit. There's kind of more in the anime. Let's sort of do them maybe like this sort of. And he's just lightly shaded, sort of. The anime kind of does it more black, but the manga is like green. So that's his hair. So what we'll do is, got a little dot on his lip there. I'll get rid of that, sorry. There, you can't see, it's because of the fist, you can just see like a slight little bit. And then his collar comes up here. And again, the fist is here, so. Shoulder comes down that way. And then just the sleeve of his All Might t-shirt, you know, just in here. His arm goes down. You could have just some like fold lines and stuff on his t-shirt. Some necklines. Okay, so I guess we got to do this fist, right? So right beside his ear up here, you get the first knuckle, right? A bump. So it's kind of like knuckles are like a mountain range just across, and your middle one sticks up the most, okay? So this one will stick up like slightly above that one, see? It's kind of higher up. And then you go again for the ring finger, and then the pinky sort of comes down there. And then we'll go down, turn, and around for the bottom of the finger. And then each of these will be a finger, right? So one, and the thumb comes across, right? So you can only see these ones fully, the ring finger and the pinky. Like you can only see the full finger because the thumb is blocking it. So say the hand now comes across his face and he draws it with a fairly thick line as well. So the thumb comes down and you can just see like the index finger here. And the thumb just like comes across these. They draw in his thumbnail. And then the palm of the hand. There. And like maybe like the side of his hand just there. So he's got some sort of like knuckle lines, and then he's got lots of scars, okay? So like some stuff here just for the knuckles. And then those scars. So we'll draw them in. They're done with color in the manga, but we'll do it sort of sharp, like sort of the anime does it. Just this jaggedy kind of situation, kind of like this, zigzagging across. Make some textures just in there. And there's a couple, like his hand is riddled with scars because of using the power, so you can do as much of this as you want, really. It's all on his arm as well. So the arm is drawn relatively simply. So it, like the forearm comes out here. It's all foreshortened. It just comes down, and then we get like his elbow or something here. It kind of comes out, in, and then there's more scars just coming around his arm. And then this is his t-shirt sleeve, just the bottom of it. And then it has an inside edge line. I think we can just see his armpit on the inside. Some folds just going around. And then his shoulder on this side just comes down. Kind of bumps in a bit with all the sort of the fabric. And the arm goes down that way, and then there's just some fold lines here. Then we got to draw that All Might face that's on the t-shirt. So it's kind of like bumpy, right? Because there's these folds on the t-shirt as well. So his sort of eyebrows come down in the middle like a V. And you've got like black eyes underneath. It's kind of bumpy here. And then the smile part. So it's just like that. Real cartoon sort of All Might version. There we go. Midoriya, final season. Deku. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.